we'll guide you through how to open multiple LDPlayer. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, head over to your computer desktop and prepare to launch the emulator. Search through your desktop until you spot the LDPlayer shortcut icon. Then move your cursor over the shortcut and double-click it to open the program. Allow a few moments for LDPlayer to finish loading completely before interacting with any of its features, so every tool is ready to use. Once the emulator has fully loaded, look toward the toolbar located on the right side of the window. Find the multiplayer icon and click it once to open the Instance Management tool. After doing this, an LD multiplayer window will appear on your screen. Shift your attention to the bottom right corner of that window and click the Add Instance button. A small menu will immediately appear, and from the available options, choose New Instance. The New Instance Settings window will then open, allowing you to configure your additional emulator. Start by selecting your preferred Android version from the available drop-down menu. Next, choose the number of instances you want to create. For example, select one if you only need a single additional emulator. After that, choose the disk management option you want to use based on your preference. Once you have finished configuring these settings, press the Confirm button at the bottom of the window. Another confirmation pop-up will appear shortly afterward, so press Confirm once again to continue. The emulator will now begin downloading the files required for the new instance, so wait patiently until the download process is fully completed. When the download has finished, close the main LDPlayer emulator window that you opened earlier. Next, return your attention to the LD multiplayer window where all available instances are listed. Press the Start button for your first emulator to launch it, then press the Start button for the newly downloaded emulator as well. After both instances finish opening, you should now see multiple LDPlayer windows running.